You wash your car. Wheels are shining. But then you look at your tires, and the lettering looks faded, dirty, or yellow. Most people don't know this. Cheap tire paint pens crack, fade, and ruin the look of your car in just a few washes. So today, I'm breaking down the 3 best tire paint pens that actually stick, survive car washes, and make your tires look brand new again. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is best for your car and your style. Let's start with number 3. Let's talk about a common frustration. You want your tire letters to look clean, but you also want color options, sharp edges, and a custom look. That's exactly where Tire Ink color paint pens come in. These pens are made in Japan and come with a fine point tip, which makes them perfect for detailed lettering and clean outlines. If you like precision and control, this pen feels more like a professional tool than a basic marker. The paint is waterproof, permanent, and car wash safe, so once it dries properly, it holds up well against normal driving, rain, and washes. One of the biggest advantages here is color variety. Unlike most tire paint pens that only offer white, Tire Ink gives you multiple colors, making it ideal for people who want their tires to match their car's theme or build. If you care more about style, color, and precision, this is a strong pick. But if you want faster coverage and more flexibility, wait till you see the next one. Now let's talk about another real-world problem. Some tires have small letters. Some have big, bold letters. And most paint pens just don't handle both very well. That's where the SELEAD Jumbo Tire Marker stands out. This marker features a 3-in-1 nib, which means you can switch between fine, medium, and jumbo strokes just by changing the angle of the pen. No need to swap markers while working. The ink is premium, waterproof, UV resistant, and car wash safe, designed specifically for outdoor use. It dries quickly and stays bright even after multiple washes. Another big plus is the large ink capacity, so you don't have to keep pumping or worrying about running out mid-job. Compared to Tire Ink, SELEAD is less about color and more about coverage, durability, and versatility. Quick question: do you prefer a clean factory look or bold tire lettering? Tell me in the comments. Now let's move to number 1. If you've ever used a tire paint pen that looked streaky or faded too fast, this part is for you. ConceptInks premium tire marker pens are made in Japan, and the quality difference is noticeable right away. These pens come with a thicker tip, which makes application smoother and more even. Instead of thin lines or patchy strokes, the paint spreads cleanly across the tire lettering. The ink is waterproof, pressure washer safe, and designed not to flake off easily, which makes it a great option for daily driven cars. One marker can comfortably handle multiple tires, and you'll usually have enough ink left for touch-ups later. If you don't care about colors and just want long-lasting clean white tire letters, this is a very reliable option. So quick recap. Tire Ink is best for color and precision. SELEAD is best for flexibility and bold coverage. ConceptInks is best for clean factory-style white lettering. All product links are in the description below. Bonus tip: always deep clean your tires before painting. Most paint failures happen because of dirty rubber, not bad paint pens. Now I want to know, which tire paint pen would you choose? If this video helped you, hit like, comment below, share it with a car friend, and subscribe for more honest car accessory reviews. Next video coming up: best tire shine sprays that don't sling or fade. See you in the next one.